Good morning children, this is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing revision part. So we have completed till block 4 revision. Now today we are going to do the revision of block 5 all about leaves. So this is day 9 revision children. In this we are going to revise S1 and S2 today. S1 parts of a leaf. So what did we learn in this? We have learned the different parts of a leaf. And S2, difference between the leaves. How they are different, how the leaves are different from each other. And how they are different in sizes, shapes and colors. So all this we have learned. Now let us read the lesson and revise our concept. Open your reader, page number 34 children. First let us read the lesson. All about leaves. All about leaves. Parts of a leaf. All plants have leaves. Leaves are usually the green and flat part of a plant. Most leaves have the following parts: leaf blade, margin, veins and stalk. Leaf blade, it is the flat part of a leaf. It is usually green in color. So leaf blade, it is the flat part of a leaf, usually green in color. Margin, it is the edge or side of a leaf. Veins, these are the line-like structures that run across the leaf blade. Here you can see the lines. So line-like structures which run across the leaf blade. So these are called as veins. And stalk, it is the part that connects the leaf to the branch or stem. So here you can see the small stalk. So with the help of this stalk only the leaf will get attached to the branch or stem. So these parts you are going to label, draw the leaf and label the parts of it. Even you have to learn this. So you may get this in objective type children. Differences between leaves. Different plants have different kinds of leaves. The leaves may differ in shape, size, color and smell. So different plants will have different kinds of leaves. They may differ in size, color and shape. Leaves have different margins. Margins can be either smooth or rough. Here you can see the margins which are smooth and the leaves of different leaves have different margins. Here they are rough. The veins on the leaf blade are arranged differently in different types of leaves. Even the veins arrangement is also different in different kinds of leaves. All the leaves have a mid-vein. All the leaves will have mid-vein. In some leaves, the veins spread in all directions from the mid-vein. In other leaves, veins are equally spaced on both sides of the mid-vein. So first you have to read the lesson. Now we'll see the practice questions children. Look at the practice questions children. Today you are going to learn first, second, third and fourth. So learn from 1 to 4 questions. Fill in the blanks. A1. Dash are lines that run along the leaf blade. So we have learned, just now we have read the lesson. So dash are lines that run along a leaf blade. So veins are the lines that run along a leaf blade. And dash connects the leaf to a stem. So what connects the leaf to a stem? Stalk. Just now we have read. So you may get like this objective type. Even the parts of a leaf you have to learn. No need of writing this fill in the blanks children. Now trace the outline of a leaf, observe the veins and draw them on the outline of the leaf, label the parts of a leaf. So already you have written by tracing the leaf, you have taken one leaf and you have traced it, you have colored it and you have labeled the parts of it. Now no need of tracing, just draw the leaf and you have to label the parts of it. Practice the each part of a leaf. So this question you are going to write in your revision part. Write 3 ways in which the leaves of 2 plants can be different from each other. Now third one children, write 3 ways in which the leaves of 2 plants can be different from each other. So what are the 3 ways in which the leaves of 2 plants can be different? Just now we have learned, we have read the lesson. The shapes of the leaves can be different, the edges of the leaves can be different and even the arrangement of the veins also can be different from each other. So the shape of the leaf can be different, the edges can be different, and the arrangement of the veins also can be different. So these are the 3 ways you can, already you have written in the classwork. Now you revise, learn the answer and write it in your revision part. Now place 2 leaves under a sheet of paper and rub over them with a crayon to get their imprint on the paper. Write 2 ways in which they are different from each other. So already we are writing 3 ways how the leaves are different from each other. So no need of writing this, children. Don't write first and fourth one. Write second and third one in your revision part. Now we'll see the workbook, children. Now see the workbook, children. S1, parts of a leaf. First one, what is the similarity between the 2 leaves? So in this way you may get any 2 different leaves and they may ask you to find out what is the similarity between the 2 leaves and the differences between the 2 leaves. So here they are asking similarity. So both leaves shape is same here and veins are also arranged in the same way. So you have to identify the similarity between the 2 leaves. Label the parts of a leaf. So already we have learned the parts of a leaf in practice questions. So no need of drawing again. So you draw the parts of a leaf, draw the leaf and label its parts. Which side of the leaf is this? The upper or the lower side? Give reasons for your answer. This is the lower side of the leaf as the veins are bulging it out. So learn all these questions, children. Anyway, we are drawing the leaf and labeling its part. Practice it. It is very, very important, children. Now look at S2. Different kinds of leaves. How are these leaves different from each other? So in the S1 they asked to identify the similarity between the 2 leaves. Now here they have given 2 more different leaves and they are asking you to identify the difference between the each leaf. So in this way you may get any 2 kinds of leaves and you are going to identify its difference. So the shapes of the leaves are different here and the veins arrangement is different. The veins are arranged in a different way and the edges are smooth in one leaf and rough in another leaf. So the edges are smooth in one leaf and the edges are rough in second leaf. So in this way you have to identify the difference, children. So you have to write this one in your revision part. Draw the 2 leaves and write its differences. Look at second one. Draw a leaf that will look different from leaf A. How are they different from each other? So this also you practice. They may ask you to draw any kinds of leaf. So answer may vary. Suggested is shown above. So here you can draw any compound leaf and the different margin leaf also you can draw, children, here. So they may ask you to draw any leaf and label its parts. So you have to write from S2 you are going to write only 1 question from workbook and 2 questions from practice questions, children. Okay, learn all the questions.